Yeah, A is on the west of C. No what? Is it? Oh, my north pole is here. Okay. So if their north pole is pointing this direction, north, east, south, west. So that's why they are saying is due west, meaning this is 90 degree. Okay? So it's not always the case that our north pole is pointing upward. In this case, where our north pole is pointing here, when it's due west, they are trying to tell you that this part here is 90 degree, which is not drawn in the diagram and is a key info. Okay? Then now with this in the picture, let's find AC. So how do you think we can find AC? Pythagoras theorem, because of the triangle ABC. So part A. Okay, so let me write down. To find AC is 48 square plus 65 square root. And then 3SF answer is 80.8 meter. 3SF. Okay, just use Pythagoras theorem directly. Okay, next one. They want you to find AD. Okay, AD is this length here. So every time you find a length, please write it down. So 48 square plus 65 square. Sorry, this one let's write down as 6529 so that we have the length over here. Okay, what rule do you think I can use to find AD? Why? So two sides. So one pair is this one. Okay, the other pair I need is this one. So the only way I can set it up is AD. Okay, let me find a spot to write B. Maybe here. Okay, so for part B, okay, I will use AD, this length, over the sine of this angle. Can I find this angle? What is it? So 180 minus 35 minus 70, 75. Okay, the other pair is this one. Over sine of the angle opposite it, which is 35 degree. So we cross multiply. AD is sine 75 times this. What is it? 136. Okay, so 3SF is 136 meter. 3SF. Okay, then the question asks, can you find the area of ADC? So every time you found out one info, quickly go to the diagram and add it in, because sometimes you might forget some info along the way. So just put it in. This one is 136.07. So as long as you have a vertex V, the V shape, like this one, then you can find the area already. So length, and the angle in between. So part C is just half times this, and sine of the angle between them. So just use the formula. Okay, you will get 5497.379. So 3SF, look at the one next door. So it's 5500. Eh? Why is the answer so different? Did I write any length wrongly? Wait. Let me check my calculation. Square root 6529. Oh, times sine 70. Okay, I miss out the sine 70. So it's 5165.8 something. So 3SF, look at the 3 underlying number and then look at the 1 to the right. So since it's 5 or more, you round up. So 5170. Okay? So always look at the question to understand what is it that they are trying to ask you to do. Okay, last one is bearing. So imagine I'm right here. Okay, I'm looking at the North Pole. Oh, start. Okay, so imagine I'm looking at the North Pole right here. Then you must go clockwise direction. Turn until you reach who? Turn until you reach who?
C.
They say reach C.
From B to C. Of C from
So
B.
you turn until
Wait, this one is from B.
from B.
From B. Bearing of
Wait, I
C
must
from B.
squeeze my way back. So sad. Why the teacher table is so sad?
Give me help. Strong woman. They say bearing of C from B.
Even the seating arrangement for a teacher is so sad. The table is scary. Okay, but anyway, sorry, I never read the question properly. It says from B. That means I must put my same North Pole at B. And then I start turning clockwise until I see C. So I turn clockwise until I point to C. So actually they want me to find this angle. So to find this, I may want to use this small angle to help me. So if I can find this, then my problem is half solved. So how can I find that angle? I can only find it if I know what is this. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom into the right angle triangle ACB. I have 65. I have 48. If I want to find this, what can I do? Sine rule.
You got the square root also.
Oh, I also got this. Okay, so you can use sine rule if you want. So this one pair, this one pair. If not, you can just use Tuakaso, HAO. In fact, any one will work. Sine, cosine, tangent will all work. But I will use tangent because O and A belongs to the question. So there's lesser error. So tangent of this angle, C, is O over A. So I take a tangent inverse. Okay, you will get what as your answer? 48 divided by 65. Yes, can. Okay, so you will get your angle as 36.4. So once you know this angle is 36.4, okay, then you can find the angle here already. Okay, wait, I'll let you copy this one first, then I go back to the diagram. If not, cannot see. Yes. Which Z? No, it's a C. Interior angle. Okay, you see So what if I found this to be 36.4? It means I can find the blue angle by using 90 minus the 36.4. So if I use 90 minus the 36.4, I get 53.6. Okay, so knowing the blue one, now I can use interior angle to help me find this, because these two should technically add up to 180. So to find this bearing, I will use 180, take away the 53.6. So it's 126.4. Yes, also can. Okay, so this is the bearing already in 3-digit notation. The 0.4 is just accuracy. Okay, so this is part D. Answer. So what else did I ask you all to do? 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So many?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's look at 3 now. Okay, maybe I should bring this totally somewhere else so that I can have space to write. Okay, so let's look at this one. Question 3. The diagram has 4 points on the flat floor, and then ABC is a straight line with D due east of A. So meaning, if this is my North Pole, this is the east direction, they are telling you this is 90 degree. So this statement here, due east, is hinting at you that there is a 90 degree somewhere. So you can draw the 90 degree first, and then the rest of the info they state there is all stated on the diagram already. So now they say, can you find the length of AD? This one. What rule should you use? Cosine, because you have 2 sides and the angle between them. So the moment you fulfill this criteria, you can use cosine rule already. So AD square is equals to the sum of the squares of these 2 sides minus 2 times the product of these 2 number. Why cannot see again? The 2 behind, don't hold hand.
I cannot see. I really cannot see. Thank you.
Okay, then 440, then followed by cosine of the angle between them, which is 112 degree. So if you don't want to copy this thing again, you just drop the square and do a square root. So it will give you a point what?
75762.
Okay, so 3 significant figure, underline the first 3 number, look at the one to the right. Since it's less, so it's 1090 meters. 3SF. Okay, so this is the cosine rule. Next is they want me to find BCD. So I'm going to zoom into the diagram BCD. They tell me this is 440. They tell me this is 630. They want me to find BCD. This angle. Okay, and it happens that the friend next door is 112 degree. So what rule do you think I can use to help me find the right angle? Why sine rule? So I can first find this one by using 180. May you come in front?
Why you want to see? Why you want to?
No, she says you cannot see, right? Or it's for you, you cannot see.
No, I cannot see. You zoom in and then
That
you
means how?
write.
That means wait. If they cannot see, then how is silent?
Then silage, how do you use to see? Can. How do you use to see? Last time you can see the screen.
He every time ask you zoom in, how you sleeping?
You got nothing on your table? The whole time you looking for what? Your NRIC. Is it the same notes? I saw something else. Is it the right notes? Where is it? See, you still take another set of notes to smoke me. This is 6. This is 7. All tested for WA. Or where is 8? This 6. Where's 8? Okay, it's definitely in the stack. Okay, but anyway, this one, we find by minus 112. Okay, if really cannot see anything, then the whole group must shift forward during math. 68. Okay, so 68. So this is one pair. This is the other pair. So always put the unknown that you have on the top. So this is sine BCD over 440. Also can. Then 68 over 630. Okay, then you cross multiply.
Sine inverse. See, which one I tell you, I know this. I don't know the bearings, the congruence, the similarity.
Okay, we'll fix that. Okay, so BCD, you take an inverse of this whole thing.
40.4. Yes.
40.357.
Yes.
This one the first time I see her learn math.
What?
The first time I see Latika learn math.
Oh, first time only.
Not first time.
Okay?
Bro, I'm at the back.
It's the first time you learn
Stop
math.
promoting.
No, I always do her math.
I mean like,
Wait, who is behind
This year.
Ufa?
That's not true.
we started learning
Yeah, I
math
thought
this
I
year.
Got one head there.
Yeah, this topic.
Okay? Okay, so I need to sort out. Haya can see. Nura can see. Can see. Naisha can see.
Rebecca. 后面的人在改。
Krishvan can see. Okay, then you move forward to behind Fikri.
Which one shall I see?
Rebecca 后面的人。我后面有一个人，他是那个黄色的。
Okay, so wait ah.
But Justin here
Then when Justin come back, then you
And
see here lah.
behind here lah.
Okay, you see here first. That means later Ethan can see or cannot see.
Yeah, don't need to.
Okay, never mind, let's continue first. Shortest distance from D to BC. So D to BC is always perpendicular distance. When you see the word shortest distance, it is perpendicular distance. They are the same thing. Okay? So when we are talking about that, use area to help you. I already found the area of this triangle. I haven't, right? Okay, so I can find the area of this triangle. How to find, Sailesh? How to find area of triangle BCD?
Wait, I always want to find that green line.
Yeah. Which one? I want area of the triangle. How to find? This one I found, right? Yes? Why? So Sailesh, how to find area of this triangle?
Half Billy.
Billy? Where?
Billy can see.
Half A, B side C, but where is your A, where is your B, where is your C? No, you tell me the length. You tell me the length to sub in. Half? 440. Okay, can. Then? 630. Then? Sine of? 44.
40.4.
No, this one, you must use the angle between them. So you need to go and find this by using 180 minus 68 minus 40.4. So this is 71.6. So you must use the angle between them. Cannot take a family but the wrong child. Right? So must pick a family full, complete one like that. You cannot pick another child and join another family like that. Okay, but once you found the area, I want to have another way to find the height. This is the height that I'm interested to find. This one. Okay, so this is the perpendicular height I want to find. That means I have another way to find this area of triangle. I want this base and the green height. So I can equate this to half times the base. Do I have BC? Also don't have Then must find Why this question so tedious?
You know, I checked.
Okay, we find BC.
It's like, no, I use cosine rule to
You need to go and calculate lah. I didn't calculate.
use sine. I use cosine. Yeah.
Okay, this one is 131514.2152. Very big number. Okay, but this is the base. This is the height that I want to solve. But before I can do that, I need to solve for BC first. So how to find BC?
BC over 71.6.
Sine rule.
Yeah.
So you can use sine rule or you can use cosine rule. I leave it to you. So I always like cosine rule because it's easy. So I will do 440 square plus 630 square minus 2 times and then sine of the angle in between. So this will help me find BC. I put it in. Then I can find H. Okay? So can I leave you to do the calculation? Go and calculate this. 131514.2152 divide by half, divide by the H. Ethan, if you cannot see clearly, you can move beside Krishpan. Sorry?
What's the H?
Height.
Height. This one, the green one. This one.
What are you doing right now?
So if you want to find this H, you use this, divide by half, divide by the BC. Use this, divide by the half, divide by BC. BC you can find from here. Okay? So what I'm saying is this type of questions, it's a lot of marks, can be 9 marks. Fikri, don't be attracted by Silesh. Silesh, hold your charm. Okay, hold your charm. You go anywhere, you also charm people, right? So hold your charm.
I think everybody must know that.
Okay, so this is a question
You find that, then you finish.
that O level like to test. A from C. It's the same, right? Oh, your angle is wrong. That's the problem. This angle, you should use the 71 point something, right? Or whole row shift forward.
No, but what I'm saying is
For math lah. Other lesson is not empty, right?
后面我有个人
Okay. But I'm thinking I can shift the whole group forward for math. Why
She
you?
got no more fire escape.
Because Chloe is my OC, then my C3 and my OC are very sad.
Your
Nice.
OC?
OC.
Or you?
Wait, you brought your paper and chair.
Yeah, but it's just
Okay, let's focus. Let's come back to this.
Wait.
what's the answer for the BC?
Why
You calculate. Why everything I need to calculate?
253.
Yep. The answer is wrong. This is 253.856.
What?
Can? Divide by half, divide by this. That is given there. Then did we calculate the thing wrongly? What was the answer written there? 408. Yours is what?
I got 229. Finding B, I got 229. Oh, 71? Oh! Oh, sorry, I'm blind. 71.6. Yeah.
Okay, so the height actually should be 1036 point what?
132099.
So actually it's 1340.
Krishna calling you.
Yeah? Okay, it's different from the answer there. I will check again which one is more correct or where is the error, but the method is this.
You shift over.
You use this to divide by half, divide by BC.
Oh. What's the number so big?
Yeah, that's why. I will check the calculation again. Okay, but you all must know the method will do. Looks like we don't have time to do the past year paper. Okay, done? Why like? You look like you're chewing something. Open your mouth. Is it gum? If it's gum, go out and spit. No, I'm talking about Sailesh.
I just got it just now.
Yeah, then go out and spit. Go out at 2 seconds. Go out on your way out. You chew, then you spit. Go.
I don't want to miss lessons then.
You don't pretend. You just go and spit it out. What a good excuse. Okay, I'm moving back to the diagram so you can see. They say they want to find the bearing of A from C. So I'm going to put my North Pole at C and then turn clockwise until I hit A. So this is the angle they want me to find. So there's quite a number of things I need. I need to know what is this. And it will be helpful if I know what is this. Okay? So just now, I already found... Is there a quick way I can find this angle? How can I find the blue angle? How can I find the blue angle?
I need to do it I mean
CAD,
CAD.
yes. But how to find CAD? How to find this one? How to find this? How to find this? Sine rule. So sine of the angle BAD over 440. Which one?
The 112 and 85440.
This is sine rule. Well, I don't want to find the length.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so once you know this, the other pair you can use is sine 112 over the AD you found just now. You have already found AD, right? This one, I need to find the green angle so that I can find the blue one. Once I find the blue one, I can find the red.
minus 360.
Yeah, minus 180. Okay? So,
You find the green. Oh.
okay, so I repeat one more time. What I'm trying to do now is to find the green angle using sine rule. Okay? So once you know this, because this is 90 degrees, you can find the blue one.
Oh, they used to see.
But the blue and the red one is 180 degrees because of parallel lines. So once I know the red one, bearing is out.
Oh, that's
So that's why we need to find this one first. This is 1090. Sailesh, I can hear you talking. So go and cross multiply and then do a sine inverse. Okay? So go and do a sine inverse. You should be able to get BAD as what angle?
Where the 1090?
We found from part A.
Oh.
So you will get the answer as 21.900. So this is 21.900. So to find the blue angle, you use 90, take away the 21.9. You will get 68.0998. Okay, so this blue one is 68.0998. Then you can find the red one. So use 180, take away the 68.0998. So the moment you know the red, now finding bearing is just 360. Take away this.
Are we doing C or what?
D already, last part. Okay, this is part D. move 30 meters towards the building. So now you need to look down even more. It's more than 33 degrees now. So finding this, if you alternate it, it is asking you to find this one. Yes, same thing, but now is this angle. Okay, it's the same blue angle we are talking about here. So we zoom into the smaller triangle now. This one. I know this is 55. I know this is 55.1996. Now question wants me to find this angle. So you could also use Tuakaso, H, A, and O. I have O, I have A. To find the blue angle, just do tangent. So tangent of this angle, let's call it X, is this over 55. So to find angle X, you just do a tangent inverse this whole thing. Why?
1.
Where got one? Tangent inverse.
What 1? No, because it's over. It's always over.
O over A. Tangent is O over A. What? So my O is this one. My A is this.
The one is just the 1.
Oh no, a whole number you can always put over 1 as a fraction. So if you have 5, you can write 5 over 1. It's a fraction. Mah. If you have 3, you can put 3 over 1. Just make it into a fraction. Then you can cross multiply. Mah. So the angle of depression is just 45.1 degree. Okay, so this question is you need to know that even if they ask you to find angle of depression, you can alternate it. What happened to Vera and Ufa today? Why? Okay. So this is the 6th one. Let's do the final one. Okay, the boys there, stop giggling. Okay, last example. Then we are done for WA3 topics already. Then we do revision all the way. Oh, sorry. I leave it here. Let me draw the diagram instead. Yeah, go. Okay, I'm going to draw the diagram, hopefully in the closest possible way.
I love it here.
Okay, so first thing first, they say, can you find CG? How to find CG?
Use the
How to find CG?
cosine.
Cosine rule. So to find this, we will use CG equals to 957 square, 1125 square, 2 times.
Cosine 60. Where are all the numbers?
Yeah, because in real life, the numbers are not so nice.
151.111.
5 what?
1051. 1.117. No, 0.117. Miss, are you okay?
No.
Yes, correct.
K3SF. Can. Okay, next they want me to find ECG, your education career guidance.
Wait, but Miss Huang, they say that show that CG is 1051.1. That means only 3 as
Oh, so like that.
Then take away the.
Shown.
I put 1 dp.
So you can after that round off to this. Okay, meter shown. Okay, then once you know already, put the info there before you go and find ECG. So ECG is this angle over here. Most likely, when you are doing the question, you will know that they will test you sine rule 1 time, cosine rule 1 time, area of triangle 1 time. So in one big question, they can test you all 3 at once. So if you look at this, we have 2 pairs here. So let's put the sine rule down. Sine of the angle ECG over the length 1125, then sine 60 over 1051.1. So go and cross multiply. So if you don't want to work so hard, just write your sine inverse here. Then you don't need to copy the whole thing one more time. So what's the answer?
67.956.
0 what?
956.
956. Okay, so 1 dp, 68.0. Okay, so the moment you found it, quickly go to the diagram and write there so that you won't miss out. Then they say, can you then find the bearing of E from C? So actually it's just a very small angle. From C, your North Pole is there already. Turn until you see E. So they want you to find this. You could use the C to help you. Right? These two angles must add up to 180 degrees. So I will find this one first. Let's call this N2. So angle N2EC is 360. Take away the 135. Take away the 60. So it's 165. So this part here is 165. So your bearing of C from E is 180. Take away 165. Which you get 15. But bearing must be 3-digit notation, so put in the 0 in front. Okay, so this is your B part 2. C from G. Okay, part 3, I want to find C from G. So put your North Pole at G. Turn until you see C. Okay? So actually, right, a quick one would be that I hope you can see this letter C. So these two actually sums up to 180. So if this is 90,
15.
was it 90?
15.
This one is 15.
Yeah, this one is 15.
Okay, so then you can find this one. Let's call this N3GC. So it's 180, take away 15, take away 67.956. What do you get? Quick calculator. Okay, so then bearing of G from C, you use 360, take away this. Okay, 3 digit with 1 dp.
From C from G.
time is almost up. Let me finish this. Okay, listen shortest distance from C to EG. So from C, the shortest distance to EG is always the perpendicular distance. So that means you need to find the area of this triangle first, then half times base times height to find the H. So this is what part 4 wants you to find. But how to find area of this triangle first? Where's the corner that you should choose? The letter B. So what's the value? Which one? What's the corner that you should choose? The one on top. But what are the values I should plug in? What are the values I plug in? Half AB sine C? 957. Then sine. So remember, your key thing is to locate the B, then plug in the two lengths and the angle in between. So you go and calculate this, and it is also equals, what is this value?
466,192.30.
466,192.30. Okay, so we leave it like that first, but I can rewrite the area as half times this base times the height I'm interested in finding. It's the same area. So to find H, I use this answer, divide by half, divide by 1125. Okay, so it's the same. So far we have been doing this question. It's 1 cosine rule, 1 sine rule, 1 area of triangle, 1 shortest distance, 1 angle of elevation. And one question can go up to 9 or 10 marks. That's 1/3 of your paper. Let me finish this question. Okay, so imagine they say I were to let a building be fixed at point C. Calculate the angle of elevation from E. So if I were to have a building here, standing here, where got point E? Oh, I write wrongly, It's E. Okay. So if I have a building standing up here, and I'm looking up from point E. So imagine this happening. But I flatten it on the ground. Can you see a right angle triangle?
Yeah.
So actually this is above the ground. I'm looking up from point E. So if I flatten this, actually the triangle looks like this. A right angle one. Okay? So if you imagine your whatever building that is above the flat ground, and then you look up from the base. Okay, you look up from the base E. They want you to find what is the angle of elevation at this corner here. How much do you look up? So the right angle triangle is over on top of this triangle.
The hypotenuse, right?
Hypotenuse is this one, but I want to find what is this angle of elevation. How much I actually look up from this point to the top of the tower. So this little angle. No need rule. Let me redraw that part. They say I put the 60-meter tower on top. Then I look up from point E. I want to find this angle. And this is 957. So how will you find this angle? Sine rule? Actually don't need.
957.
Yeah, it's just a very short one.
Use the 957 is the top.
Tan Tasso. Tua Tasso. So I have O, I have A. I'm trying to show you after all the examples we go through, can you realize it's always tangent? 957 is what?
Hypotenuse.
No. This is the base. Imagine my tower is here. I look up from point E. So the base of my triangle is 957. I don't know what's the hypotenuse.
No, 957 is the hypotenuse. Because the right angle is that one lah. Right.
No, right angle is above the flat ground. Can you see my right angle triangle like that?
Yeah.
This is 90 degree.
Oh.
So 957 is the base of my triangle. It's standing upward. Okay? So I have to use tangent of this angle E is O over A. So to find angle E, I tangent inverse. Okay, and it should be a very small angle only. Because the tower is very short. What's the answer? What's the answer? 3 point something. What?
Yes.
Wait. 3.587.
So it's 3.6 lah. 1 dp. Okay, that's it. But I will give you one paper to do this weekend. You need to practice. Okay, then you can run already. Go for your whatever thing that you have.
Yeah, Chinese video.
Now,
Like that. Your amma.
the homework. If you have finished with the PMP, you can hand in. I will look through your work for you. Good. Okay, then you can go off already. I know overrun already. You can just run out. Huh? Can? Oh, which one? Oh, haven't lah. That one haven't lah. You just give me. Okay, thank you. Can. Okay, that means your side row is okay. Can. Ooh. Okay, good. Yeah. I don't know lah.
Which one you doing?
No.
Why?
I'm so upset with the class yesterday. Yeah. Yeah.
No good student.
I hate it.
Yeah, I think so.
Level 3 tables there. I go back staff room first. Okay. Where are you okay?
But move out the way.